Aussie Shampoo is a well-loved hair care product known for its fun branding, affordable pricing, and highly effective formulas that cater to a wide range of hair types. Originating in Australia, the brand uses ingredients inspired by Australian nature, like jojoba oil, aloe vera, and Australian sea kelp, to create products that deeply nourish and revive hair. Aussie's cheerful purple bottles and signature tropical scents have made it a standout on store shelves and a favorite among both teens and adults. The shampoos are designed to deliver visible results quickly, making them ideal for busy lifestyles that still demand quality hair care. One of the most popular products in the Aussie line is the Aussie Miracle Moist Shampoo, formulated for dry and damaged hair. It contains Australian macadamia nut oil and aloe vera, which help restore moisture, softness, and manageability to brittle or overprocessed hair. This shampoo provides a rich, creamy lather that gently cleanses the scalp while deeply hydrating each strand. Users love how their hair feels smoother, less frizzy, and more manageable after just a few washes. It is especially effective when paired with the Miracle Moist Conditioner for extra hydration. Another top favorite is the Aussie Volume Shampoo, which is perfect for flat, lifeless hair. Infused with Australian kakadu plum and bamboo extract, this formula lifts roots and adds bounce without weighing hair down. It's great for fine hair types that need body and energy. For those dealing with frizz and flyaways, the Aussie Miracle Curls Shampoo is formulated with coconut oil and Australian jojoba oil to define and hydrate